So friend, this is my online Nettech Blue Sky channel. Today I am showing you what is a Windows 11 and how you are install Windows 11. So how you want first minimum requirement for installation time. So this is very important for without this requirement completely you cannot install Windows 11. So last my previous video I have told you how Windows 11 features available in Microsoft this operating system. Okay, and I've already created this video. Watch my this is a previous video very important for you. So I'm already created on 11th. Okay, 11th point I'm showing you 12th. Okay, so what is changing everything? So I'm already created on this topic videos. So visit my Windows 11 playlist and watch this previous video. Okay, so next is start my new system Windows 11 related minimum requirement, and without this minimum requirement you cannot start Windows 11 features, and you cannot use Windows 11 because this is a very important, because Windows 11's advanced type of features available and high graphically one type of this Windows 11. So this is a requirement. What is the requirement and how this possible for Windows 11? So you maybe start in Windows 11. So you must have a minimum requirement. This is very important for you. Either you cannot start and not install your Windows 11 in your computer and laptop, desktop. Okay. So let's start this video and understand about the Windows minimum requirement. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online Nettech Blue Sky channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit for my playlist. So thank you. So installation time before you start Windows 11 Windows Microsoft systems, your desktop and laptop minimum requirement very important for hardware related. Okay, and without this start not install your Windows 11. So you can install your Windows 11 in your desktop and laptop. Two types available new technologies. First off, you can install CD DVD drive, genuine CD DVD drive, Microsoft company through. You want to first purchase this Windows 11. Either you can create a bootable pen drive Windows 11 ISO image through. Okay. So USB pen drive, how to create a USB pen drive and how bootable pen drive create. I will create next time video. Okay. Windows 11 related. So second method is I'm follow Windows bootable pen drive I will create but today I am continue this minimum requirement related video. So this is the first is very important, usually Windows 11 or USB pen drive. So this is a two requirement because this is Windows 11 CD. Okay, this is a one type of source, one type of data, Windows operating system related everything file available in Windows 11 CD, either bootable pen drive. Okay, so this is a very important for you can install CD or USB pen drive through. Okay, so CD drive you can start and installation start. Okay, but how to create a USB pen drive, USB bootable pen drive, I have already created video, but I am again create a video. Okay, second is a motherboard 6th generation minimum, very important for. Okay, minimum requirement 6th generation virtual support related 6th generation motherboard, very important for you. Okay, minimum DDR4 DDR3 RAM slot available is important. So one type of motherboard, why this is 6th generation virtualization system, because Windows 11 one type of advanced related of settings and some features available in Windows 11 operating system, and these features requirements for minimum virtualization system on in your BIOS system. So what is a BIOS? BIOS is one type of all of hardware related settings on off and virtualization system. How start your virtualization system I will show you in Windows 8. Okay, so motherboard 6th generation virtualization system very important for you, either you cannot start Windows installation. So third is a virtualization system on in your motherboard. Okay, BIOS. Okay, so how you BIOS on? First of your start your computer and continue press you different company and different wise, HP company, Lenovo company, Dell company, laptop and desktop. So BIOS, how you open your company, open your computer, I have to press again. Okay, when your power on, that time I have to press again. Means it's a bootable operating system start, but you want to first start delete, press delete button. Okay, so when you start your computer, press power button, at that time continue press button delete button. Okay, so you can go in a virtual means open your BIOS in your computer. Okay, so BIOS system upon and you can go in system information through find the virtualization settings. Okay, so virtual setting on and press F10 and save it, so you get the virtualization settings on. Okay, very important for you. Fourth is a hard disk, very important. Hard disk minimum your 500 GB. Okay, because some your data you can save in your hard disk, but Windows 11 minimum requirement 500 GB. Okay, and when you installation time you can create your partition C 55 GB. Okay, so this is a hard disk. RAM is very important for your computer. RAM is a 4 GB. Okay, 4 GB means a virtualization system and RAM motherboard related to 4 GB RAM. Okay, motherboard in side. Okay, so without 4 GB you cannot start because some features and some availability in 4 GB. Processor, what is a processor and how can you start your processor? Okay, dual core i3 64-bit processor. Okay, so core i3 one type of 64-bit processor. Okay, so dual core i3 and this is very important for us. This is a minimum requirement core i3. Okay, so very smoothly and very easily your Windows 11 work and very fast work in your computer. Okay, So you want to first start Windows 11. You want to install your Windows 11 in the computer, laptop, desktop. So this is a very important for your, the six type of requirement, very important. Hard disk is using, I'm suggest you SSD type hard disk. Okay, SSD technology hard disk very easily and very fast and very useful. Okay, and this is a very important for your RAM, DDR3, DDR4, 4 GB RAM. Okay, and 6th generation virtualization support of on okay virtual setting. So you want first installation, so you want need Windows 7. That time I already created a video how install Windows 7. Watch my Windows 7 playlist. Okay, and I'm already created in this video how install Windows 7 after Windows 8, Windows 10. Watch my video, and I'm already created a video in how to install Windows. So same as it is Windows 10 CD. You want Windows 10 related. You can see this is a Windows 10 related full version. This CD video available in Amazon and Microsoft, or that you can order. This is a one type of genuine type of CD video. Okay, not pirated CD video, not created because maybe possible in a virus in some crack version not perfectly work. Okay, and maybe damage your computer and data, and maybe you're not safe. Okay, so this is security related. I'm told you some genuine company through you can purchase your LED. Either you can start USB, create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive using Windows 10 bootable, same as it is. I'm already created this video and bootable pen drive. How to create a bootable pen drive? Visit and find this my Windows 10 related video I'm already created. Okay, so visit my Windows 10 playlist video. Okay, and you can see watch how to create a bootable pen drive. But for you, I'm again create how to create a bootable pen drive in computer. Okay, one by one. Okay, so step by step I will show you. So this is a type of showing how to you completely you have Windows 10 CD DVD or whatever pen drive. So you are using CD DVD. So first your computer start and open your CD DVD drive. Again you can CD enter and please start your CD DVD. Restart your computer and showing this is a desktop side and this is the laptop side. Okay, so first you open your CD DVD and CD DVD drive. Okay, this is a drive, it's called drive, and this is a CD DVD. I also means a CD DVD. Okay, insert and start this computer and restart again. So we press some keys. I will show you how next time today this type continue. Okay, so how you installation start and first of so next time I will show you how to create a bootable pen drive and how you use a bootable pen drive system in your computer. Okay, so without bootable pen drive you cannot start install USB through, but you want install CD DVD drive through, so you can this type first insert your CD DVD drive in your computer and press restart button and start your computer. So showing one type of press any key, so press button and start your installation setup. Okay, so how you install in your Windows 11 your computer. So one by one I will set up one by step I'll show you in next some video. Okay, so this is a very important for you and understand about minimum requirement. This is very important. Okay, so this is a very important minimum requirement. Without minimum requirement you cannot start your Windows 11. Okay, so next time I will continue how you create a bootable pen drive. Okay, this is I will show you, and you know about already what is a serial DVD drive, but I'm not showing you next video how to create a bootable pen drive and how to use this through USB through you can install. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Nice next time I will continue USB bootable pen drive how to create and installation by USB pen drive through. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice next time I will continue and any questions so comment me and you are already know about my channel, so visit my other playlist computer hardware network and advanced Gmail training how to Gmail using different voice. Already I'm created a related topic. So thank you. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue bootable pen drive. Okay, so thank you.